Adom TV so Adom TV so be join me dey say that we can see us empire say can no person jao me dey the Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace goodie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi Kunya and they bronya patase ana ye dey hye so kwi 18 sabreo catch the busianfo na fofo oyere oma wo fase for nananam ukrumo no mprafo na se prof ginem ye dey bronya de so 18 sabreo na no pay na afo nsena niam esi ko hye no so ma me se nwuma komienu Madama, Omna Boms Kajutemen and Pay, Yadin Komono 18 aba. Kingdom Eba at the Kingdom Home Estate and Swabacon, Fisabre Kodia Boga Tigan Harpena Toa, a Kingdom Home Estate, Libitia Bomania Matia Quediamount, a dime by Quaman modern touch nothing Sucano, affordable Ukitateku, Sisi Capre, Sri, Musabitia San Cabinoato, Nabua Emaniama Etian Quediamount. About some few seconds drive along the roadside, Odwanichima, where serene atmosphere, a high standard security services, CCTVs, for and a brother, you bet in a chum and tempas, electricity in Caniano, a Genasuchi, and no pound crana, Nasa Etufuma, and more standby generators, and also Elbow Jumapa, yes, I work in Sua, and also Ebawa, our Kingdom Home Estate, Bomodiada, open that to the Dime by Quibitian Sabwa, MNA, was Sumetian Sajono, a Kingdom Home Estate, and a design shall soon Quentiaba, the Andy Kappa, a Kingdom Home Estate, on the say, Oka Botanical Gardens, some few minutes drive, now Udwani 8 years, so, but if was a Safari Valley, and I feel so crown at the Kwashi Memorial Hospital, and so be how Pomodon Sem Natoba, Uko, a Kingdom Home Estate, Ubetia Sanchi Nebina Bois, Emaniama Etian to 2 years at the amount, Ubetia Fair Kingdom Home Estate 4053 614 9961. Now on a Kingdom Home Estate, Yanchu Kumo, Yamwa, Nanya, Yampapa, Netiasa Totem, Nemwaman Yama, and Queen Famau. As I the Kingdom Galibites, ne Kingdom Gali Capsules Saba, immune system, no Anna, who has an MSC quite my Emra, a Duba Quibitia Sabon, a Kingdom Galibites and Kingdom Galley capsules. Untimi bobites na memene capsules ni bi ebetimi abopa. Low blood pressure netted to cholesterol na fen so reduce sugar level no. Eno pa so anwa ne sade ador mo se twema no. Etime rumo jamsi kama ema niam 18 to 2 year edema. Edo ni din e the Kingdom heba garlic bitters and afi Kingdom garlic capsules and medin wadan se dia ma no. Yasa the new Kingdom ginseng power capsules aba memedru bomodi adasa on sabetia ka bi. Ba ne da hoyi wo de ante sa na de achimesrew wo setimi ka Kingdom ginseng power capsules bi eboa mama kokomoti timi sori efanam de miado kono so niama etimi koye de mount bomodi ada se onsa betin akabi sexual weakness ye etu ase na fi waist pains mental stress na fi produce energy extra iwale ebetin aboa wetin aboa adwuma best no hwero hane akiri na still ugusu gina so a new Kingdom ginseng power capsules na medru no mansan kabi nemwa niama 2022 ye enfama ye de tremendous capsules so aba ne de wo hwese ne mesiko so na no da chema betwemu oma hobie ni nyina nsenka otie no anso nani mansan ka tremendous capsules doi ebo pa ebo adwuma pa ma niama 2022 ye de ma white fit na so de poa candidates na chiwa edwe prapro ahimfio kama na boa ma chema ka so ntua boa obetua mo ho na maniama etia kokoyi ede ama tremendous capsules wo do ani kire heba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mu a onsa ebetia ka before ani kire mu e wo kan drug lane onsa betia ka Kingdom na etia hwa boa maniama etia tutu ye de ama Kingdom phone pay for so betia friend 0536149961 na on a Kingdom Herbal Center yentwetwe komo yehwe mu a maniama 1822 ye enfama ye ka no na ye de hyehyɛ so ko etia sabrɛ na no game park games omo ede hyehyɛ kwetian samba fisa bere kode boys edia na edi ene nto so fa ho gym utwa ne befu adi ne befu ne mum e na de adwene kakra to nsan se chacha diwa wani so ebetia briu wa adwene mu ebetia hyehyew wani betia kokɔ ebetia puru so krantie ya na wo de adwene kakra etia sa kan ho de ka game park games no na omo so eboa e mamafo etia sa diska bomodin da se oni ebetia sa din sa so ebetia hwa boa e ma niama etimi atoto ye edi amount we mu any sponsors are more techra bo men no pay ne nkomo no so etime jam tempa so na fo sena niama ACL but ye sha se tempa so fa fi EPL matches out we etime sapiem no West Ham United etime che Manchester United etwom 2-0 we sena kensin so kwa na nika Liverpool ene ne EPL mu EPL nim eno no but ye nkomo dia na se Wolves 40 Chelsea etwom kamino wo mo ete kana back still in the EPL matches out we etime sapiem no but ye ko Italian Serie A kensin etime ba so na AS Roma etime che Napoli etwom kamino wo mo entime ante eno ewo EPL no eno no but yɛmfa ne ntimi sanche mu biondi anese Frosinone etimi etransma Juventus etwa na kamienu oteka na ba kopɛ ewo eye Italian Serie A kensi etimi sato dwane but yentinto mu ntempa so ewo Ghana Premier League week 17 and the last match between Sabo and Sana yetimi Break League ni tenra week 16 matches ni bi etimi sato fem but enra matches no before then na Friday matches ni bi etimi saba so de da Baba Sports Stadium ho and Koba said the match derby omode kopie Accra Great Olympics Olugbogbò woli Imashi woli Nkozonko woli Pieto woli Juliju woli Rosalenda woli Akapo Kobe woli It is Christmas womo ana ene Hasselfolk ebo etipenko bi ene wetia puso nyonkwa ewo sa kensi afihwe woli akensi no so kakre
side who relinquished their lead against Nations FC only to draw the other weekend in Abrankese. Akese kicks off and here we go in Kumasi. Here's Kasim, launches a long one in, headed down by Wimini. Good control from Kekeliato, shows great desire. Here is Osei, too much on that ball, he rolls over. Here is Kekeliato, looking for space. Akese swings in across. Gripman's header and is not beaten Atta. He goes out for a goal kick. Salif Ibrahim bends one, and that was close and missed by a whisker. It's a corner for the Phobians. I said he was going to trouble the goalkeeper if he's in his elements, and Asari had to ensure he got that one away from goal. Good goalkeeping. Good run from Osei. Great desire. Michael Osei straight into the waiting arms of Atta. That's the run from Osei. Good work to go past Winimi. Got into the 18-yard box. Good run. But hey, Christopher Nete against Kekeliato. Good call. Kotoko hoping to bounce back to winning ways after they were pegged back by Great Olympics last weekend at this venue on match day 15. RTU desperately want to come back from those two defeats they suffered in previous games against the Gun Cities and Brecum Chelsea. Isaac Opon putting Mukwala through with his first chance of the evening. Mukwala bringing it back for Aqua. He went down right on the edge of the box for a free kick advantage, the Porcupine Warriors. Kotoko Garba blocks Opon's air for years. Baba Lamte trying to put 1-2 for Opon. Opon with a cutback, ball goes into the net, but Kwesi Brobe flags offside. Morrison bends one, and Mukwala, now Mukwala on the 10. Opon wants it. Here is Isaac Opon. The cross is not as good. Adabo to Hardy, good cross in. Baba Kushibu. Lamte cuts it back for Isaac Opon. Opon wants to drive into the side net. We join Lamte in midfield, and here is Isaac Opon. Mukwala looking for Lamte. He missed a glorious chance against Olympics last weekend, and he's missed another one today against Real Tabla United. Richmond Lamte. This was a clear-cut scoring opportunity for Lamte. Kushibu bends one in straight to Asari. Back for second half action at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium is RTU, who kicks off in the second half here at the Baba Yara. Here is Lamte. Bubakari gives the wrong pass. Mukwala, good play from Mukwala. Was trying to set up Isaac Opon. There's an appeal for a handball, but Nunu is pointing to the corner. Baba keeps it. It is Baba up against Abubakari. Baba goes down. It's a penalty. Penalty for Santi Kotoko. The Ugandan have an opportunity to increase his goal tally to 6 in the Premier League. Mukwala steps forward, and Mukwala scores. Asante Kotoko are back to winning ways after drawing against Great Olympics last weekend on match day 15 full time. Asante Kotoko won.
Yes, matches I would return say PPM or Elsono no but some say other results it means PM no member dano near Koba and Sebrecum Chelsea and Tanobo Fakwa Bozios you Oma Kingsman so Bechem United Nation sexual 3-0 and after Dreams any Accra Lions Ebo 1-1 and Swataman Echedena Stars 1-0 and after Samates and so Che Karela United 3-0 Akinsin Kotoko and so any RTU 1-0 against RTU Sakins Kessie and also it means Pimene Sunyami Adoma Legon City's battle said a fair Accra Lions no much is a kind now fair Branda Mediama Sporting Club ni Gold Stars and so Eddie Apem so we are standing fixtures and also EBT PM Jumedia Ebaso our Ghana Premier League nim so far him Anderson Nema AC course assistant coach for Kumasi Asan David Marvin Dexon Oklu after R2 game no Nkoma Odija ni.
My impression is that my boys played very well. We're not lucky and then a penalty was awarded. That's how come we lost the game. But they played very, very well. It's an improvement of the last encounter that we played at home. But you must the season when you consider the league log, the points are just on one another. We still have 2 home matches before the end of the first round. If we are able to put things in order, I think we'll come out from that drop zone.
I told you RTU will come with tripled effort, and that was exactly what they did. You could see the way they dominated us in the first 15 minutes of the game, or if not 20 minutes. But thank God we had a needed result.
We did all that we could because in the latter part I even changed the system to 4-4-2 so that we can add more numbers. But still, it seems not to work because, like I told you, in Derby game, I'm not surprised because they are also prepared and then they managed to get a point. So I think we have to go back and work and then focus on our next game.
For my earlier submission, I did.
And coach Marvin Dexon David Oklu, where assistant coach Adom Kumasi Asante Kotoko and I didn't come 8 minutes Jano. But the Komu Elbrecum Chelsea for catching after the game. One more coach a friend Christopher Enin, one a Branton Dean and John Edufu, one more and a concentral for Shimno Nankuma, one Sudijani.
We did all that we could because in the latter part I even changed the system to 4-4-2 so that we can add more numbers. But still, it seems not to work because, like I told you, in Derby game, I'm not surprised because they are also prepared and then they managed to get a point. So I think we have to go back and work and then focus on our next game.
For my earlier submission, I did say we have come prepared and there's a lot of motivation in my team. The boys are mentally, physically, conditionally prepared to play the game. And you could see what we did. We possessed the game, we dominated the game, we played the way we want to play. In fact, we had 3 objectives to play in the game. 1, to defend very well, so we don't concede a goal. 2, to be able to play the game we want to play. 3, and to be able to score. But then you could see that we played.
And the engineer will soon have Brunia Patas sports and a Jordan open so intimacy about Shannon Kingdom Eba, one more at the Kingdom Woman State and Sweet Sabani, a month for Toyota Yasam Ketua, Open Dam Petian to the Kingdom Woman State of Madama, woman did and Papa, Mamma, modern touch out himself by a affordable. After some few minutes drive to from the roadside, was serene atmosphere, after high standard security or home, electricity and Canadian agent so nothing so can a sound standby generators and soon day, almost say about Wawa for each Kingdom Woman State for catching up for painful, including also after so crown or Kingdom Woman State now or drive some few minutes now call a Bree Botanical Gardens now when you saw the Boti for Safari Resort now first with the Kwashi Memorial Hospital and so a Benwa a ma a Kingdom Woman State Tomodano at the move for a cropon a Ben Latte Junction set me coma Cotoy Dani Bito Nemwa Emas was a Intinkuye and Famau Kingdom Galibitas ne Kingdom Gale capsules and so a note I share boy build immune system no after so low blood pressure netted to cross the reduce sugar level no Nanyama 82 year demand as a boy reduce blood fat wo umojanim no as a free ho as the new Kingdom Jensen power capsules about a memedro no recommended for sexual weakness waist pains and after mental stress out from a produce energy now betia boy juma ache release semina ebama extra power na after also wetimi ejina nanso the tremendous capsules about manedro no candidates is fit white and so deep one echiwa won set me cat tremendous capsules and no so betia boa emaniama etia koyi ediama Kingdom for dama one more and the send papa pay to Samba, or Masada Kingdom Home Estate, Dampa, and so as I pay also. Obetia Fair Kingdom for 056 0536 149961 0536 149961. Now on a Kingdom form penny for Yankee Kumo, Yanshemwa, Emaniama, 8 and 2 year and Famau, Ewo, a year in Shisha be a Opese Unimudiso Pedato, and I say, Woo Epe, a year in Shisha, a bit in Sabwa, a mouse when you no panel, one more a bit me Ashe, Amaniama, Etian Kuku, the Moika Kingdoma, no, I just said no challenger, one more at a the eagerly anticipated pick one game no so arrival with the bank, but more than that so bit me to so Unamano, from 1 to 36, now for waiting to get ready for the excitement, but more than that, you can't a game park games are, one must be sticky from 1 Ghana cities and copy 350 Ghana cities, Ube we need 26 times to stake no, now boy, I'm also in your pussy Pudubi, Eddie, the Afibrunye, Ube dial star 946 hash, now for all networks, now what made the DB and I say, www.gameparkgames.com, only paying for bit of Chinkumo, the any kind of say, Game Park Games from paying for the draw no, at 10 times so Adom TV so no pa, and on Cron, and we are Cataban so best Prem Tobre, and after 6 p.m. so you into when the no power between the area when you are so, obey me Eddie Numri, now boy, Emaniama Akuye, Eddie Mosika, Juti Honsem, Game Park Games or Simomula, more power, regulated by the National Lottery Authority, a phone moving or chair, and found him is answer Chachadiwa, why Genimo Ebit me show, when you saw Ebit me a brew, and Tiana or the Ajunica at Wemo, and the sponsors and nanope, Omotachi, and my Yadi Brunya Patas Personal, it's me a bro, within the profit as a good catch by Hope, and I'm generally, of course, evidence based presentation, it's me jow. A radi antenna on your can say if you've been in the Sunni. And found Kobe Bianida so Nyaka be now a channel and I don't so ever patea sinti catch the bush for and now for or yet or my office for nanam who could not pramfo in answer and then Adom TV so a bed doko a bear fem the mo take you media and a mawishi bubuashi kanesia bugulushi feda baka coping bomeka down suma da kuma kofodia soon some kidibodia smackers a beam and pontin fadi kitty cratchy cupim sodu winiba kaswa court yana nothing puko so jama kusu money so gako peda bala ho equity to adidome edwin chim koko bomb Bonkwatia, a conanado minor time with Domain crew. When each Brikum could be Chim Kudia and Quanta, Nafi Kubrikum, I feel Buaketim for an intimate in Zamalan. Crema Coco d'Ivoire, Amosukrum, Utim Subiad, Nefidena Toa, or share ADOM TV, Adom TV, bedroom to media so, and a Yamau Afishapa and an open within the profit.